Just walk. Keep walking. You know, when you turn 31, it's 1 year above the third floor.
Why you still?
Stop talking. Stop talking. And you've got your back. Even when your back literally says, it's got no you, we've got you. Now, open your eyes. Step
I
one.
read us.
Step one. Quickly, quickly, quickly.
To open and read us. Seriously. Kwani mulifunga ni kama okay. For my wife and best friend on your birthday. From the moment I met you, life became an adventurous journey. Oh, okay. To my darling wife, sweetheart, and I am glad we are traveling it together. Happy birthday from Habi. Thank you, Habi.
Ah,
Thank you, baby.
one done.
Open. Happy birthday to you. To Lydia, have a wonderful birthday. Have a great birthday. Love from Cheryl. Thank you, Cheryl.
Lead.
Okay. I feel like there's a chocolate. Ooh, this is colorful. Aww. Kit Kat, Kit Kat, Tic Tac. Thank you. Mwah. Thank you. Kit Kat, chunky. So, are you trying to give me chunky things?
Stop overthinking.
Okay.
Just open the damn gifts.
Oh, birthday wishes. Enjoy your special day. Oh my goodness. Hey sis, happiest birthday. Today we celebrate you, but more than that, we celebrate the incredible journey ahead of you. May this year pour off into your life everything you've been secretly wishing for. What is this?
Me.
May four paths be lined with opportunities.
Your path.
May your paths be lined with opportunities, and may every day remind you of how loved and special you are. This is your season to flourish. Embrace it with all your heart. Cheers to more memories, laughter, and endless sisterhood. Forever proud to call you our sister. Oh, wish you a really fantastic birthday. Thank you. From your biggest fans, Faith and Snyder. Love you. Thank you. I love you too. Mwah, 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 mwah. Love you too. And thank you for my TikTok Kit Kat. It's my
Eyes
Kit
closed.
Kat.
Eyes closed again.
Niko na hii.
And the mouth closed.
So nisenge. Unataka kuniangusha. Unataka nipande stairs.
Eyes. Open your eyes now.
What?
Beautiful.
Open me. Oh, more chocolates. More chocolates.
Not a thing that I would change. 'Cause you're amazing. Forgot from that side.
Just the way you are. Oh, thanks, dear. Let me have this one. Just the way I am. Thank you.
I know you don't like rubbish. I'm gonna get rid of rubbish as we go.
Are you helping me or not? Okay, let me help myself.
See, tunaenda pole pole, step by step.
Okay.
Next.
Open me, open me, open me, open me, open me, open me, open me. Guy, unaona vile nimefurahia? Wow. From Amazon. Kwani imefungwa ni kama ni bangi imefichwa. Mnafanya na feel ni kama sishingi kwa hii nyumba. Hizi vitu zote zimekuwa wapi? Seriously. Can I have some scissors, please?
This is how much your gifts were guarded for so long.
Where?
For so long.
In this house.
We've tried our very best to hide them because you are
For
very
me.
snoopy. You can't
Snitchy.
relax.
Like snitchy.
Please.
Very snitchy. Snoopy. I'm confused now. Is this for putting my feet in?
That's a foot warmer. I do not want to suffer no more
Guys,
with cold feet touching my
when am I getting that old?
2 feet in there to warm your
I
feet.
know, of course,
Yes.
I know. Let me try.
Aww.
Oh, this is so thoughtful. Let me try.
Both feet.
Of course, I'm doing it one by one so that I cannot fall down. Like,
And then it's electrically charged.
but I cannot walk with this.
You sit down somewhere, you warm your feet.
Oh my.
Thank you.
Anyways, this is so thoughtful, baby. Thank you.
Anytime.
So winter, I'm covered. You see,
Not just winter. I do not want no more cold feet.
my feet are not cold. I normally wear socks.
I
normally have socks
don't
on.
want to be sleeping and then I just feel like some.
Guy, able guys, see this. See this. Electric foot warmer. Feet. It can fit my 2 feet.
You're too late.
My 2 legs in here. Look at how big that is.
Isn't that amazing?
Oh, this is so thoughtful, baby. You are indeed my king. Very thoughtful. Oh, I'm finally to my Gucci.
You're Gucci.
Oh. Wow.
You just saw the baby Gucci.
Look at me. Look at who has her Gucci bag. Can I have the scissors, please? Thank you very much. don't want any accidents. No accidents on my Gucci. I'm taking my time. Sorry.
Take your time.
It's my day.
What did the label say?
Wear me. I wore it. But I couldn't work with it. I'm just taking it slowly. Ooh. This has become my favorite bag. Well, nakuwa naiva lakini msinibie anyway. Nani atanibia hakuna sindio? Kwa nabeba hapa
Gucci.
my Gucci girl. Oy. Look at that.
Do you like the color?
Of course I do.
You love it?
He knows my color. Gucci babe.
Aww.
You know my color. I love this. Thank you. Nafula, please hold this for me. I don't want it to be pressed down.
Warm your feet there.
Well, amogopi kuniua na stima.
How do you feel?
Very comfortable
Okay, next.
and warm.
You ain't finished yet. You ain't
Nope.
finished.
I hope this is the last one.
We
You
told
don't
you
want-
it's a month of gifts.
Can I have the scissors, please?
It's a month of gifts. So this is gift number. These are gifts number 3 for today. Or 4. And that's day 1.
Ngoja. Kwani mliroa bank na sijui?
Nadhani mbona tuna wachingi akifani mingi.
We will never tell you the source of our funds.
I'm your wife. I need to know all the sources of your
My
funds.
wife deserves to be spoiled, not to be told my secrets.
Aww.
Spoiled rotten.
This is from my lovely colleague Alicia. Thank you. Hand cream minis and twist key.
Oh yeah.
Oh, hand creams.
Oh yeah.
Thank you, Alicia.
This is mind.
and
body, spirit.
more chocolate.
Nah. How come you're getting more chocolate? That much?
What's the problem?
Chocolate.
Chocolate.
Do you know you shouldn't be having much sugar now
Because
that...
of my age.
Yes.
Shh. I open that
Wow.
and then you follow me.
Chocolate and hand cream.
Okay, I have something for you.
Okay.
You know, it's your big day today.
Okay.
And you're a
And-
blossom.
As your lovely younger sister,
Mm-hmm.
I love you
Mm-hmm.
and I appreciate everything you are doing for us. I
Aww.
love you.
Oh, thank
Oh,
you.
they're crying.
Aww. Thank you, my sister. Oh.
Mbona si wengine
Thank
atuli?
you.
Sasa
Oh.
Kaya anakupea gift and analia, imagine.
Isn't that emotional?
Wewe bweza kukata
Thank
vitunguu.
you.
Oh.
Thank you so much. Look at what my baby sis gave to me. Oh, thank you. And you are crying on my behalf. You are helping me cut the onions. Oh.
Nimewacha. Nilishakata kitambo zimekauka.
I was aging.
Thank you so much. Let me read. Oh, birthday queen. She knows I love purple.
We know you love purple.
Truly, dear, happy birthday to you, Queen. We hope you have a fabulous day. Love, Alicia, Adi, Olo. Oh, thank you.
Alicia, please. We love the gift.
Thank you.
Thanks for watching.
Thank you. Let me go. Pink lady for a lovely. I'm already sweating because of this.
Are you sure it's not because of the excitement?
Okay, plus the
It's warm nicely.
plus the excitement.
Don't worry about electricity. It's energy efficient. It's got its time. It stops. So don't worry.
I'm already sweating.
You should learn.
I'm already sweating because of the bills. Hope today is filled with everything that means the most to you. Of course, it's filled with everything that means the most to me. You here, baby is here. My lovely
Little sister.
and my other sister
Behind the camera.
behind the cameras. Yep. Oh, in a car paragraph.
You
Look
better
at
read.
that. Look at that decor. Just for me. Just for me. Just for
Oh,
me.
ain't you special?
Of course I am. I'm the queen. I'm the queen. To our dearest sister, our love, oh, adoration, and respect for you go beyond words. Oh, this is so kind. You are not just family. You are our inspiration, our safe place, and our forever friend. Today we celebrate not only your birthday, but the incredible person you are. Thank you so much. Someone who makes life brighter just by being in it. May this new year bring you all the joy, love, and blessings. Your heart deserves happiest birthday with all our love. Faye and Snake. Oh, thank you very much.
Again, what the tears? What the tears?
Oh, I'll give you 2 hugs. Hug for you. Oh, thank you, baby.
One more gift.
I'm sweating, guys.
Not have electricity bill. Unaona nimezima lakini bado it still has got power for you.
Yeah, kwani mko na mpango gani?
Warm feet.
Warm feet. Happy birthday from your beautiful, lovely sisters. How many cards did you write for me? How many cards?
Papa.
Okay, I'm not complaining, but I'm like, where did you even get the money from? Did you steal from my bank? I'm even worried now. Oh, look at that creativity. Art. Am I doing it wrong?
Yes, you are.
Oh, sorry.
That's the
I'm
perfect.
sorry.
That's the right way. Okay, yeah.
Sorry. Oh, let me open it a bit. Is that okay?
Yes, you can.
Okay. Let me now read
Nice.
it.
Good job.
Good job. Happy birthday. This is my house. Is this my house?
It's a cake.
That's
Oh,
okay.
it's a cake.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you for the amazing cake.
Okay, you can open it and read it.
Okay, let me read it now. Happy birthday. With love, 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 endless loves. Dear sister, a sister like you is a blessing I never take for granted. Oh, thank you. Your kindness, your heart, and your love make me world better every day. Love you so much, my big sister. I love you too. How many hugs?
Hapana. Hata mimi nimeanza kuwa jealous.
Okay,
Behind the
go
camera.
to the camera.
Hata mimi naanza kuwa jealous.
I need to give a repeat reading or nikupatie 2 hugs.
Just give me the hug.
Thank you so much for your kind words. Thank you for your thoughtful gesture. And thank you for the chocolate. No, thank you for the Kit Kat Tic Tac. Whatever. Yeah, thank you so much. I really appreciate. And I appreciate you being here. And so thoughtful. You know that?
Yes.
Yes. Are you thoughtful?
Yes, I am.
But you've been telling me that I'm edgy. Is that being thoughtful?
Na tuseme tu kweli. Si lazima tujue. Tuseme utajua age yako.
Hapana. Hatukuwa tunasema age hapa.
Thank you.
Okay.
Sawa. Thank you, bebe.
Sawa.
And
Pause.
thank you.